and it starts with the soil beneath our feet. It's a living ecosystem. Below the surface lies the soil microbiome, a vast network of fungi, bacteria, and organisms working together to break down organic matter and parent rock, releasing nutrients and supporting plant growth. Mycorrhizal fungi, for example, are nature's nutrient delivery system. Healthy soils grow healthy plants, which nourish our gut microbiome, strengthening our immune systems and mental health. The connection between us and the soil runs deeper than you might think.